I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: admin access, correct cable, power, and an available USB or Ethernet port so you can proceed immediately. First, plug the biometric device into the computer and power it on. This lets the operating system detect hardware and reduces variables. Once you see an LED or boot indicator, note the device model and firmware version so you can download the exact driver. If the device has a removable battery, insert it now to ensure stable power. Install the manufacturer driver and fingerprint management software next. Choose 32-bit or 64-bit drivers that match your operating system because mismatches cause failures. Once installation begins, run the setup as administrator so background services and device drivers can register correctly. When the installer asks, enter the device IP address or use auto-detect. Make sure the computer and device are on the same subnet for Ethernet to allow communication. Finalize by enrolling a test user and running several sample scans. Compare captured templates with the software's quality metrics so you verify capture integrity and matching behavior. Once done, export settings and schedule automatic backups of templates to a secure location so you can recover quickly. Make sure the device service is set to start automatically so functionality returns after reboots. Troubleshooting tip: if the device is not detected, check cable integrity, try a different USB port, confirm drivers, and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus, then restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.